Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. But first a joke. Why don't fish do very well in school? Because they're all below sea level. Customer told me that when we came into the shop yesterday. So there you go. Thank you. I got a little too much coffee in the portafilter, I think. So that's why it's going so slow. We're still getting good credit. The shot is a little long. And let's test the steam. Like the googly eyes on this. Can hear my kids laughing in the background. Many of us are working with our kids at our work with us, or if we're working from home, we have our kids home with us because we're not able to have childcare or school. It's the nature of the pandemic these days. I hope you're all doing okay with your kids. Make sure to take breaks and spend time with them, and take some deep breaths when things are difficult. Small things like this can help the difficult days to go a little bit better. Still waiting for that light to go off. There we go. So we have nice strong steam. So thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.